Everyone, in today's video we will fix the Google Nest camera not charging, battery and power troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the power source and charging connection. So use the original Google Nest charging cable and power adapter whenever possible. Avoid low quality and third party charger that may not provide the correct voltage. Now clean the charging contact on both the camera and charging cable using a cotton swab slightly damped with rubber alcohol. Now plug the adapter into a non-working wall outlet to rule out the wiring issue. Inspect the charging cable for cut, bend, fraying or other signals of damage. If available, test with another compatible USB-C cable. Fix 2. Jump start a deeply drained battery. If the battery has been completely depleted, it may take time before charging begin. Connect the camera directly to the wall outlet. Leave it charging uninterrupted for at least 2 to 3 hours. If no charging indicator appear, press and hold the reset button while the camera remains plugged in. Now continue holding the 3 to 4 seconds until the white light status flash. If the camera has been exposed to freezing temperature, bring it indoor and allow it to warm to room temperature before charging. The fix 3. Troubleshoot solar panel charging issue. Clean the solar panel charge surface to remove dust, drips or dirt. Ensure the panel receives direct sunlight from several hours each day. Check that the solar cable is firmly connected to the camera. If the battery level falls below 20%, remove the camera and charge it indoors using a wall outlet. Ensure charge the battery before reinstalling the camera outdoor. Fix 4. Perform a hard reset. Connect the camera to the working power source. Locate the reset button on the back or underside of the camera. Now insert a paper clip or pin into the reset hole and press and hold the button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now release the button when the camera status light begin flashing. Allow the camera to restart completely. Now open the Google Home app and set up the camera again if required. Goodbye and thanks for watching.